In this video, I'm comparing QuickBooks Online with Wave accounting, so you can decide which one fits your business needs. We'll start with QuickBooks. QuickBooks Online is a full-featured cloud accounting platform that's built for small and growing businesses. It offers professional tools for invoicing, expense tracking, bank and payment integrations, and detailed financial reporting. With QuickBooks, you can connect multiple bank accounts, automate transaction categorization, and generate customizable reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow summaries. QuickBooks also integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and services, giving you flexibility as your business grows. If you need advanced bookkeeping tools and strong reporting capabilities, QuickBooks delivers a comprehensive and scalable solution. Now let's talk about Wave accounting. Wave is a free cloud accounting platform that's especially appealing to freelancers, solopreneurs, and very small businesses on a tight budget. Wave includes basic tools for invoicing, expense tracking, and receipt scanning, and it also offers simple financial reports. Because Wave is free to use, it's a strong choice for business owners who need essential bookkeeping without the subscription cost. On the downside, Wave's features are more limited compared to QuickBooks. For example, its reporting options aren't as robust, and some advanced automations and integrations are missing. Wave also charges fees for payment processing and payroll services, so costs can add up depending on your needs. When we compare the two, QuickBooks tends to be the better choice if you want powerful features, advanced reporting, and plenty of integrations that grow with your business. Wave shines if you're just starting, have straightforward bookkeeping needs, and want to keep costs down without sacrificing basic accounting functions. Your best choice depends on your business size, budget, and the level of features you require. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description for more reviews and software comparisons.